Kenyan church leaders, represented by the Kenya Conference of Catholic Bishops, KCCB, and National Council of Churches of Kenya, NCCK, have called upon President William Ruto to pay attention to the suffering of Kenyans who are enduring severe economic hardships exacerbated by prolonged drought. The church highlighted that numerous families are experiencing hunger, businesses are collapsing, and people are losing their jobs, all while the cost of living continues to rise. In an effort to address both short-term and long-term economic challenges, they appealed to the government to consider implementing policies and strategies that can instill hope among Kenyans. They emphasized that without such measures, the prevailing sense of hopelessness may lead the country towards instability and potential violence. The clerics specifically urged President Ruto to repeal the Finance Act 2023 in order to alleviate the tax burden on Kenyans. They also called for an end to domestic borrowing by the government, enabling banks to provide loans to private businesses that drive the local economy. Furthermore, the religious leaders cautioned opposition leader Raila Odinga against raising false hopes among Kenyans regarding the removal of the current government from power. They discouraged him from pursuing planned mass actions that could further worsen the economic situation. The church appealed to Kenyans to demand leaders who adhere to the rule of law and prioritize the well-being of the people. They emphasized the importance of active engagement in public participation forums to influence policy and decision-making processes. The clerics warned against relying solely on politicians and encouraged individuals to adopt the mantra of, "Nothing for us without us," when determining the fate of their families. The church also recognized the significant role played by Raila as the leader of the Azimio movement and acknowledged his contribution in shaping the nation's future. They appealed to him to recognize the importance of his position and adopt an issue-based and solution-oriented approach to safeguard the nation from descending into chaos and violence. The religious leaders convened at Ufungamano House in Nairobi under the umbrella of KCCB and NCCK to assess the social-political state of the country. To get more news, leave a like and comment below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the Kenyan News channel.